Oh shit, is that Damien Tao? What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Roll right on, man. Good luck. All right, folks. It's 5:30. Tournament day. We got a late start. But we will see if that matters any. Alright, maybe it's my bad. It's still early, so maybe they're out. They're way out on the edges. Saw a blow up there. Bite. That was just a little guy, most likely. But that is a good sign. Alright, let's try some open water frogging. One on the board, one on two. Think I got you? Appreciate it. All right, on the board. It's good. There we go. Feels like a good one. Feels like a good one. Oh, did I just lose it? Son of a gun. Oh, that sucks. It felt like a really good one too. Go. I don't want to lose you. Okay. Make yourself pretty good. All right, I took a little chatterbait action. It's a nice one. Let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, there's still a little further out apparently. There we go. I got you. Oh, these guys bow fishing. That's crazy. I didn't even think to do that here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, he really took off. Oh, boy. Come on, don't break me off. Okay. Oh. Don't. Don't, oh shit, dogging. Yes, hell yeah. That is a good bass right there, sir. Holy Chevy. Don't. Thanks, bud. That's a good one. Whew. Go. Hooked in the water. Oh, might be grass. Is it grass? Wait. Nope, that's not grass. Fucking swim. It's going toward me. Yes. Heck yeah. Alright. Caught our bag. That's what we're going for. Alright. Black and blue chatterbait is getting it done. Let's see if this pattern holds the rest of the day. Funny, I was like, man, what if I need to throw a chatterbait last night? Oh, there's one. I think he's good. Alright. Oh, look at that fatty. Alright. Call 15 as a change. Line's still good. That guy was a little farther out. Yeah. So they're coming out of this grass. And since there's algae kind of stirred up, they can't see very well. So we're going black and blue, and we're going as noisy as possible. Yeah, so funny. GoPro's not even on. Caught this guy. There you go. Thanks, buddy. Come on. Now we're talking. All right. It is 11 o'clock, which means we got about 3 hours to cull probably both the 16.75 and the 17. I mean, I think right now I'm in like 11th. Gotta cull those last two the way people are fishing. So that's what we're gonna do, or at least that's what we're gonna try to do. Heading back into this shallow slough area. So we'll see how it goes. All right, let's do this. Let's do this, bass. What's up, YouTube? So as you can tell by the video, there was an abrupt stop there because I didn't catch any more fish. So let me tell you what happened, and I'll just recap the whole day for you. So you probably saw in pre-fishing that I was frog fishing in the morning a little bit, and actually I didn't really do that well, so I don't know why I went back there on Tourney day, but I did. I was fishing a slop, and obviously there was no fish to be found. I didn't catch anything for probably like half an hour, and I figured if I didn't by then I should probably consider other options. I thought maybe they were a little bit farther out. There's like a little grassy area that kind of hangs out, running a black and blue jackhammer. And I lost one and caught two decent ones. If you guys saw my pre-fishing video, I really didn't have a pattern for the day. So literally at that moment, I was like, all right, this is my pattern. This is what I'm going with. So I threw that around a little bit more in the slough area and didn't get any more bites. So I figured I'd start heading out toward the main lake. I actually made my way out there and continued tossing the jackhammer. I probably had 3 fish in like 25 casts when I got out there. So that was super exciting. I thought like, this is it. Like I'm gonna like crush this thing. So those 3 fish came like really, really fast and furious, caught them really quickly, and the bite kind of died. And I think I caught maybe like 1 more that called. After that, it was like nothing, like nada. I switched up to a handful of different baits that I probably didn't show you too much. I mean, I did some flipping and stuff and some punching, but nothing like worked. And I don't know if you could tell by the timing of how I edited the video, but I think the bite literally died off for me around like 9 o'clock, like a little bit after 9. The entire day after that, it was like no fish. So it was super disappointing. I had a decent bag at like around 9 o'clock with those, I think it was like 7 or 8 fish that I caught. I thought I had the whole day or the whole rest of the day to cull out those fish. But yeah, the rest of the day, nada, 0. Went back in the slough thinking I could do some frogging at high noon, but that didn't work either. So it started out interesting. I wasn't sure what was gonna happen, and things got really exciting, and then things got really frustrating. So it was a roller coaster of a day. I heard some people did really well, skipping docks, flipping docks. Congrats to all the winners. I'll throw it up here in a second. 15th place. That'll get me a free entry into the next tournament, which is at Lake McClure, and that one I will be fishing blind because I have meetings all day Friday. That should be an interesting one. That should be a fun one. I've never fished that lake before, so it's like a true going in blind. I know it's one of those lakes that has little to no grass and little to no cover, a lot of ledges, a lot of cliff walls, bluff walls, a lot of riprap. So that is not my strong suit. All right, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next vid.